This cramped, cluttered bathroom can become this spacious, modern retreat. And no, we didn't move a single wall. The difference isn't a costly renovation. It's a series of strategic design choices that you can implement this weekend.
Forget the notion that a small bathroom can't feel luxurious. It's simply about making every square inch count. We'll reveal the 3 core principles of small space design: intelligent storage, space-saving layouts, and the power of color psychology. Stick around until the end, as I'll also share the single most effective fixture that can single-handedly double your bathroom's perceived space.
Genius storage solutions. The primary battle in a small bathroom is against clutter, and your first move is to think vertically. Floor-to-ceiling cabinetry or streamlined open shelving draws the eye upward, creating an illusion of height while adding significant storage. A professional hack is to install a floating vanity. By exposing the floor beneath, the room instantly feels larger, while you retain essential drawer space. Another sophisticated solution is recessed storage. A built-in shower niche or a recessed medicine cabinet offers hidden storage that is literally built into the wall, consuming 0 floor area. Clever layouts and fixtures. Next, let's address the layout, where efficiency is paramount. For a long, narrow bathroom, a one-wall layout with the sink, toilet, and shower aligned is a brilliant move for maximizing flow and minimizing plumbing costs. If you rarely take baths, consider replacing the tub with a walk-in shower featuring a frameless glass door. Removing this heavy visual barrier makes the entire room feel more connected and expansive. When selecting fixtures, think streamlined. Wall-mounted toilets, elegant corner sinks, and slim profile vanities are all designed to deliver full function within a minimal footprint. The perfect color palette. Finally, we harness the psychology of color. Light and neutral palettes, think soft whites, gentle grays, and pale, calming blues, are your greatest allies. They act as light multipliers, making any space feel more open and serene. A crisp white provides a timeless foundation, especially when contrasted with the warmth of wood tones or the sharpness of metallic fixtures. However, this doesn't mean you must avoid drama. A pro tip for adding depth without shrinking the space is to use a bold color, like deep navy or rich forest green, on a single accent wall, or just the vanity. This creates a focal point and a sense of sophisticated luxury. As you can see, a small bathroom is a canvas for clever design, not a limitation. By integrating vertical storage, a strategic layout, and an intentional color palette, you create a space that is both functional and beautiful. And for that one fixture I mentioned that can double your perceived space, it's a large, frameless mirror. Extending a mirror across the entire wall above the vanity will reflect light and the room itself, creating a profound illusion of depth. What is the first change you plan to make in your small bathroom? Share your project ideas in the comments below. The community is a wonderful source of inspiration. And if you found these strategies helpful, please support the channel with a like and subscribe for more elevated home design solutions.